Good to see you, friends. Alright, so, this is cool. This is batch 1.1 of our semi-enclosed environment, Hydroponic, Romaine, and Buttercrunch lettuce. Now, it wouldn't be very cool if we just did the exact same thing we did last time, because we already know what would happen. And considering the amount of controlled variables in this environment, there's really not that much that could change. So I'm not really going to replicate anything until we actually get like our desired output. But that's unimportant. Germinated these yesterday, so this is day 1. Technically day 2, but we're going to count it as day 1 because first day doesn't really count in my opinion. And we're going to moisten some of these seeds, and then we're going to check out the pH and EC. So let's get right into it. Alrighty, good to actually see in here. CO2 ppm is running at 500 ppm, temperature of 26 degrees Celsius, and 50% humidity. So, pretty normal levels. Let's graph it and then we can open it up. Alrighty, this is our first look at this batch. Kinda cool. Also, you'll notice there's no longer a grow dome upside down covering these plugs. I decided to 3D print these things, so that's awesome. We'll see how they hold up. And if they do good, I will make a page just about all my 3D printed stuff for hydroponics. Below tanks, of course, they're going to look exactly the same, and that is just, sorry if the camera just lagged, it lagged on my end. But tanks look pretty normal just because it's kind of what's happening. But we need to get moving, so let's check out the pH and the ppm and EC. Well, this is whimsical. pH meter is off of its rocker, so that's great. Yeah, I will just buy a new one. But for today, we'll just do ppm and EC. I will have a new pH meter by hopefully tomorrow. But let's check out ppm and EC while we can. Alrighty, ppm is running at 721, EC at 1442, and temperature of 25.9. Let's check out the left tank. ppm for the left tank is 536, EC of 1072, and temperature of 26.2. That is because I forgot to turn on the pump for this tank. So by tomorrow it'll be normal. Anyway, let's look at our graphs. Alrighty, I have an X on the pH just because we don't have that measurement, which I apologize for, but it's kind of whatever. All of our measurements are just going to be a flat line right now because this is our first data point, which is a very, very nice little achievement that we've reached already. So, that's awesome. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for coming back, and I hope that you guys enjoy this new series.